Hi, my name is David Green with Expert Villages, expertvillage.com. I want to talk a little bit about the pre-inspection. When you're going into the home and you're meeting with the customer, not only is it important to look at the carpet, but to have a detailed conversation with them to learn as much about the specific circumstances with their carpet. And to try to gain as much knowledge from them as you can in those circumstances. And as we go on, we'll go over a lot of these services. It really serves a couple of purposes, and this is something that is really a rare thing, or at least it's very rare to be done effectively in the carpet cleaning industry. So this will put a company heads above the rest. For us, it does a couple of things. It helps us to educate the customer, to disclaim to the customer, to offer specific services or specific products. So it's a chance to increase the size of the job, as well as making sure that they know what they're getting and what they're not getting. So just to briefly go through this, we ask questions as far as if things have been spilt on the carpet, if they know if there's been urine, feces, or vomit in the carpet, if furniture needs to be moved, if they are in need of permanent stain removal, if they would like those services provided, when the carpet was last thoroughly vacuumed, if somebody has thoroughly saved money by doing that service themselves, or we can provide that service. As well as if their crevices are in need of cleaning, where normal cleaning is going to miss that edge next to the baseboard.